Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You can make phone calls directly from your Gmail account without ever picking up your smartphone. This feature is integrated into the Google Workspace dashboard and uses your internet connection to place calls. First, open your Gmail inbox on your desktop computer using a web browser like Google Chrome. Look at the left-hand sidebar where your folders, chat, and space icons are located. You should see a small phone icon or a tab specifically labeled for calls. Click on that icon to open the calling interface on the right side of your screen. If you have not set up Google Voice yet, you might need to follow a few quick prompts to link a permanent number or verify your identity. Once the dialer appears, you can type in any phone number using your keyboard or click on the digital numbers on the screen. Make sure your computer has a working microphone and that your speakers or headphones are turned on. When you are ready, hit the blue call button to start the conversation. Gmail will initiate the call through your browser immediately. You can talk to people across the United States and Canada for free in most cases. To use a headset, click the settings gear to select your audio devices. You can also view your recent call history and access your saved contacts directly from this menu. This makes it easy to stay productive at your desk. You no longer have to switch between your computer and mobile device to stay connected. It is a simple way to manage your communications in one browser tab.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.